Several states have chosen to explicitly list the best interest of the child in their constitution or to pin down this concept in their legislation. It's the case of Austria, where, for example, the best interests of the child has been recently introduced in the constitution. Other tools about the best interests of the child protection have been transposed into the civil code.
In the civil law system, there a lot of things has changed. For example, the family court assistance has been established for civil judges. They assist the judge in psychologists' questions when they have to make a decision about the custody of children and their parents, for instance, or in cases of violence. They can suggest or they can order the judge a mandatory mediation for the children. There's another big change. The Federal Ministry of Justice has established a Children's Rights Monitoring Board to observe the UN Convention, the rights of the UN Convention in Austria. They're really looking what is going on in civil proceedings and in administrative proceedings. Are there measures which are implemented to guarantee the rights of a child?
In Bulgaria, the best interests of the child was introduced in the family code. The particularity of this new provision is that the best interest of the child concept is explained within the legal framework.
This is the family code, the old one and the current one, and the article that says that in every case the court is obliged to hear the child in a friendly way. Usually when there is a dispute relating to the child and the child is at the age of 10 or more, it is called by the court to be heard, and we are able to talk to the child and consider his views in the judgment. In Sofia Regional Court we have a special room. We take our robes and I start with basic questions like, tell me how old are you, what is your name, where do you go to school, tell me something about your friends, so that the child can feel comfortable in this situation. This makes the situation less formal and it's better for the child. We cannot isolate the child's best interest from the conflict between the parents. So in order to preserve this interest, those alternatives that I was talking about, like the mediations, shall be used, and the state shall feel an obligation to help the parents to solve their conflict, and this way we can preserve the child's best interest.